Aloha! We are the Bachelors of Science in Nursing at University of Hawaii Hilo Waianae cohort, presenting Hygiene and Mindfulness. Our goal in this presentation is to prevent the spread of infectious disease and to maintain a healthy lifestyle. What is hygiene? Good hygiene is important to overall health and wellness. It reduces the risk of all types of infections. Here are some examples of personal hygiene. Wash your clothes with soap. Brush your teeth twice a day. Washing dishes and utensils regularly. Shower daily. Wash your hands regularly. Washing your hair with shampoo. Make sure to have enough rest and sleep. In this presentation, we will be focusing more on the proper hand washing because of the pandemic. Did you know that Florence Nightingale, she was a nurse who introduced hand washing in 1853. Nightingale has the heart to care for the sick, which is why she introduced hand washing, and she also trained 40 nurses to help her with patients affected by cholera, typhoid, and other infectious diseases. The reason why I brought this up is because how important hand washing is even before COVID-19 has manifested. How germs spread. Look at the picture of this hand. This is a good illustration how dirty our hands can be before washing them. Our hands carry bacteria, viruses, diseases, and many other microorganisms that we cannot see. We can spread germs through preparing food without washing your hands, by touching contaminated surfaces, through touching your eyes, nose, and mouth without washing your hands. When to wash your hands? After using the toilet, touching the doorknob, using the remote control, touching the elevator button, before, during, and after cooking, before and after meals. So always wash your hands every time you touch an object or any contaminated surfaces. Here are ways to avoid the spread of germs. Cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze or cough. Wash your hands with soap and water. Or carry a hand gel sanitizer on the go. Tips to wash your hands. Hand washing with soap and water, and hand washing with gel sanitizer. Here is a tip on how to wash your hands with soap and water. First, wet your hands. Make sure the water is warm and not too hot because this could burn your skin. Apply soap. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Make sure you get in between your fingers. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds, just like singing happy birthday song. Rinse your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. What happens if water and soap are not available? You can also wash your hands with hand gel sanitizer. Pour gel sanitizer on one palm. Rub the sanitizer all over the surface of your hands. Make sure you get in between your fingers. Rub your hands together for 20 seconds until they are dry, because sanitizer can quickly reduce germs. Prevention equals the key against spreading infectious diseases. Remember to wash your hands with either soap and water or hand gel sanitizer. This could prevent the spread of many infectious diseases.
In this section, I'll be talking about the mind, the body, and the spirit. Relaxation techniques involve 5 different ways. You have the breath focus, you have body scan, guided imagery, repetitive prayer, as well as mindfulness meditation. For breath focus, I want you to take long, deep, and slow breaths. Inhale through your nose for 3 seconds. Hold your breath for 2 seconds and exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. As you breathe, gently disengage your mind from distracting thoughts and sensations and focus on the fall and rise of your breath. This technique will assist when you are feeling stressed or anxious. Body scan technique. After a few moments of deep breathing, put your focus at the base of the bottom, which is your feet. Observe the sensation that you feel in this area, and slowly repeat for every other part of your body, such as your legs, arms, then your head. This will help you release tension or soreness from any other part of the body. Guided imagery. Think about a cool and soothing place or experience that you have seen or gone through in your lifetime. By doing this, it allows you to relax and focus, as well as provide your thoughts with a positive vision of yourself. The repetitive prayer technique. While you're in a comfortable position, breathe in and concentrate on each breath. During each breath, repeat a short prayer, passage, or something that is meaningful to you. And finally, we have mindfulness meditation. This type of meditation allows you to be present in the moment. It trains a person to be mindful about things you need to do throughout the day, and it is important to practice breathing in and out, only focusing on the present and not the past or the future. This method helps with relaxation. It reduces stress, maintains normal heart rhythm, lowers blood pressure, it boosts your energy, as well as helps with gastrointestinal system. Please join us in this 5-minute meditation video. It should help you relax and get rid of all the thoughts that you have been thinking throughout the day.
Hey there, and thanks for gifting yourself these next few minutes. It's important to remember that you're a priority, and allowing yourself even just a few short minutes of intentional reflection can really have a positive impact on the rest of your day. So let's use these next few minutes to come back to center and set an intention for the rest of your day. Move into a comfortable position, whether you're seated at your desk at work or laying on the couch at home, and gently close your eyes and shift all of your attention onto your breathing, taking slower, deeper breaths than you've taken all day so far. Taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly letting it out through your mouth. And continuing to breathe that way, feeling your lungs expand out as you inhale and contract back in as you exhale. Tune into your body, noticing how it feels. Noticing if there's anything that it's trying to tell you. Notice any place of tension or tightness in your body. Give those areas permission to relax, sending love into those areas. Thank your body for taking such good care of you, and let it know that it's okay to rest and relax for these next few minutes. You may notice that your mind starts to wander off. That's okay. That's natural. Just notice it and bring your attention back to your body, using your breath as your anchor. Try to picture one thing that's happened today that's made you smile, or made you thankful or appreciative. And just let that feeling fill you up for a moment. Breathe that feeling in from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And allow yourself to smile if that feels natural. Now focus on something that you can do today, whether it's for yourself or for someone else, that will allow you to continue feeling this way. It could be something as small as deciding to go to bed early tonight, so that you have time to finally read that book that's been on your bedside table. Or the joy of getting dinner with a close friend. What's one little thing you can plan for your day to bring that intentional joy to it? Now just focus on that for a few minutes. Sit in that feeling of joy and peace. Let's take a few more deep breaths together. A deep breath in, feeling your lungs expand out as you inhale, and everything contract back in as you exhale. Again, an even deeper breath than the one before it, holding that breath for a beat, and exhaling everything out. Last time, your deepest breath yet, sending that breath through your entire body. And exhale it out. And in your own time, slowly bring your awareness back to where you are. And thank yourself for taking these few minutes to just be intentional and kind to yourself. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day.
I hope you enjoyed that 5-minute meditation. Now I'll be talking about taking care of yourself and what it means to you. So taking care of yourself first means you must perform good hygiene habits. You want to include washing your hands regularly, performing oral hygiene twice a day, and showering on a daily basis. Taking care of yourself also means eating healthy. Eating a balanced diet is also essential. Intaking the right amounts of carbs, fats, and proteins, as well as drinking adequate amounts of fluid every day. For men, 3.77 liters is good, and 2.7 liters for women. Taking care of yourself also means you must exercise regularly. Exercising regularly is also beneficial. Taking a 30-minute walk, stretching your muscles, or even performing range of motion exercises are helpful as well. Breathing exercises. Breathing exercises such as meditation, like how we did in the past slides, is an essential technique to relieve stress and also helps relax the body. And finally, taking care of yourself also means you must get adequate rest and sleep. You must get the right amount of sleep, from 6 to 8 hours. By doing this, it will help you restore your body from all the daily activities that you've performed throughout the day.